Hi students, we have already completed our first chapter, and in first chapter you have already learned about cell organelles. Each and every cell has some materials in the cell, like we say throughout the cell there is jelly like material called cytoplasm, and there are cell organelles suspended in the cytoplasm, and there is a nucleus has got a nucleoplasm. Chromatin materials are there that are condensed to form chromosomes during cell division. These all things you have learned. Now one more thing you have learned in your previous classes, that cells combine together to form tissues. So this chapter is all about plant tissues. So tissues of plants you are going to learn in this chapter. Now let us learn what will happen when we take a peel of onion and see under a microscope. First of all, we have to learn the procedure for the experiment. Regarding onion peel experiment, first we have to take a piece of onion peel. You take an onion and just take a peel of it. Just take one small piece from that, and that piece you have to keep on a slide, microscopic slide. You will keep that piece on microscopic slide. Then what we have to do, after taking the piece on microscopic slide, you just take some water, put a drop of water. You can use small brush for that. Take the brush and take take some water and put 1 or 2 drop of water on the particular peel of onion, and then add a drop of glycerin on it. So first water, then you have to add glycerin on it, then take a small cover slip and cover gently. We have to place on it. Then after placing the cover slip on the slide, just press the slide very lightly, so that the glycerin and excess air bubble and so on can be removed from it. And with the help of a blotting paper, you have to remove excess glycerin, water and so on from outside. Then observe it, keep it on a microscope and observe it under the microscope, so that you can see the cells in the onion peel, and the cells will be looking like this. You can see regularly arranged cell, and each cell is having cell wall, and there is a cell membrane. Nucleus can be seen in the center, and around the nucleus you have cytoplasm, and large vacuole is also seen. Vacuole's function you have already learned in first chapter. Vacuole is used for storing excess water in it, and it is used for expelling that water also from the cell whenever it is not needed. So this is what we are going to see when we take a piece of peel of onion and observed under microscope. Then let's learn about beetle leaf. Have you seen beetle leaf? So what you have to do here, you take a beetle leaf. Beetle leaf is shown here. You can see beetle leaf on the screen. And after taking the beetle leaf, just small stroke should be taken, just from the edge, just very small, means just slightly peel off the stroke and observe it under the microscope. You can see cells in beetle leaf like this, isn't it? So you can see the cell. You can clearly see the stomata on the cell, and you have already observed onion peel cell. Now you can observe the cell in beetle leaf. What do you feel? Are they alike? Of course they are not same. Cells are having functions, all are having same function. Cells are having same function generally almost, but they are not similar in size, they are not similar in structure. That you can understand. In onion peel and in beetle leaf peel, you have seen two different types of cell. Now cells in root tip. So for that, again we have to take onion. First of all, you will take a transparent bottle filled with water. Then what do? You have to take onion bulb, and you have to keep on the mouth of the bottle as shown in this picture. And after some days, when you observe, you can see the what you say, you will see here roots are formed. Okay, these roots, with the help of these these roots are formed once you place the onion bulb in the bottle filled with water. Now you can observe the growth of these roots. You can clearly see the roots are grown. Now you take this onion out and cut some of the root tips. Take the onion from the glass or the bottle, and you cut a small piece of cut these roots. These small root tips can be cut off. Then from that you take one onion root tip. You have to take one onion root from this, and you keep it on a put on a slide. Microscopic slide is available. You should take this piece and put, and afterwards you put a drop of water. Then in the onion peel experiment, you have to add a drop of glycerin on it. Afterwards cover it with a cover slip. Then what you have to do, excess water should be removed using blotting paper. How will you do that? First of all, you take the microscopic slide and small cover slip, keep on the root tip which we have taken on the slide. Slightly you press against and remove the excess water with the help of blotting paper. It will be allowing the material, that means root tip material, to be spread also. So what we can see, you can see afterwards you observe clearly under the microscope. When you observe it, you can see the arrangement of the cells like this. So you can see the cells like this once you observe arrange under the microscope. So this is the topic all about. So today I am going to give you a homework. The homework is, you must learn the how to find the how to observe the cell in onion peel, beetle leaf, and the root of what? Onion. So these three things you have to learn.